Guys, we're at the airport. Very spontaneous. मैंने बीच में कुछ भी vlog नहीं किया था. I don't know. I did not sleep well, so that's the reason why I was not vlogging. But finally, I'm in Mumbai, and the place where we are going is Hyderabad, and there's actually a lot of people here right now that I'm going with.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Meet Ella.
Meet Ella. Meet Ella's friend, Samiksha. Look how beautiful this is, guys. So we're heading to the airport right now, guys. हम Starbucks में थे. वहाँ पे मैंने कुछ vlog नहीं किया. Yeah, denied. Send her back. आई की नमाज़ पढ़ने होते. Wow, this is beautiful. Botanical garden type कुछ बनाया है इधर. ईशान से hi. Pranam say hi. No, let me vlog. Did you just call my vlogs faltu? Should I put that Samiksha? Let's go. It's approval में आला है so. She's your friend. Yeah.
Take my permission or my father or mother.
Oh damn. We're leaving. We're in the flight. We're going to Hyderabad. The flight is I don't know 1 घंटे की है. That's it, man. See you in Hyderabad, guys. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
It's funny how like all of us are vlogging here right now. I'll show you like. So these are vloggers. She's vlogging. This girl is vlogging with her GoPro. It's good, man. It's good to have vloggers around you. When you're like around influencers or like people who vlog, you tend to feel, I mean, less weird around like filming in public.
Like you get more comfortable.
Yeah.
Because everyone's filming.
Yeah. Does it happen to you? Because it's happening to me. Like. Guys, the plane is smoking. Look at this. No, it's literally smoking. This never happens. Alright, guys. We've reached Hyderabad finally with all the peeps. Say hi, everyone. We were very hungry. We haven't had anything since like a very long time. So we're gonna have some food, and then we're going to the Kanha village, which is 40 minutes from here, right? It's 40 minutes from here, right? So it's 40 minutes from here. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है. We're gonna have food first and then. So Ella was hungry, so she ate my brain the whole time.
He was telling stories about his dear ex-girlfriend. You guys don't know.
I was not. What the hell?
Ex-girlfriend.
So yeah, okay, bye. I'll see you guys later. Guys, first thing that I see is Subway, which is like amazing. So we're gonna have sub. And I mean, I'm gonna have some. I don't know what these people are having. Yeah, exactly. I vlog 24/7. Guys, I'm sitting down. What the fuck? Who does that, dude? What the fuck?
Guys, we just reached Hyderabad. Have you guys prepared your questions?
Wait, are we asking questions? Like today? This girl is always hyped up for no reason. LZ, why are you hyped up right now? Yeah. Oh, you ate, so that's why the energy is coming. Oh, that's cool. We're just pointing cameras at each other. Vlogmate, let's go. I can take your voice now. Yeah, guys, this is Chirag. No. Ask him why. Sakshi, ask him why. Oh shit, you did? You know what? Upload that. Let's see how that goes. Do it. Do that. Say it again. Your Marathi accent is so sexy. Say it again. Okay, ठीक है. Read my hand.
Man, what decision power you have, huh? That's
really
decision power, yeah. Crazy decision.
We take decisions. I'm indecisive.
Okay. I'll help you, Vansi,
You
pakka.
have no intuition. Gut आहे की नाही तुला?
आहे.
Gut feeling.
How can you be so confident? I have no gut feeling.
You're not lucky.
I'm not lucky, sir.
You're not lucky.
Really? Okay.
You're not lucky, Adi, dude. Look at your face.
Oh my god.
So mean.
Ouch. Ouch. Yeah, this is turning into a roasting session. Okay, go.
You know everything's a roasting session with me. Very good. Is it true or no? What I'm telling you. It was yours.
He's like, not really, but okay.
No, wait. What was Tula? Wait, are you lucky or no? You're not lucky.
I am lucky. I win a lot of I win a lot in gambling.
Intuition.
These are lines नहीं है. Look at this.
सारे आए.
हाँ,
You
म्हणूनच,
only have 3
म्हणूनच.
lines and look at mine.
And you're not
Lucky.
Of course. Samisha, high five.
I'm not lucky.
Raj doing my handwritten diary. Raj.
What?
R. She's gonna get married to R.
No, he's A na.
Raj.
I have different plans.
Raj, I've got.
Guys, I'll show you our room. This is not our room. This is Samiksha's and Ella's room. And look at the mess that they've created, man. What is this, dude?
I think we come ahead and look at all of them.
And look at this. And look at this. And this is OCD. This gives me OCD, bro.
She created this.
Oh, acha, okay. Yours is a thoda sa sorted. It's still better than hers though. And you're like proud of it. So good. And also they've got a istri. Samisha got a istri to Kana.
Shit about me.
How to pack video known.
This is like.
Guys, we're in a warehouse and she's showing us how to pack a plant, okay?
How do they pack it?
How to pack. This is really interesting.
So we select a plant. We make sure that we keep the plant like in a dark place for 24 hours so that they're living there with their families, friends, cousins, relatives. Okay, when they're going out, they have to be told that they're moving out. So we prepare them by keeping them aside for like 24 hours.
Wow.
And we make a hole here at the back. We tie this, secure it. If there's any transportation, during the transportation, people throw one box from here and there. So this doesn't come out.
Guys, so we're like chilling in the room right now and our friend Samiksha is like next door, like in the next room. And she's like live, so shoot, we're going next door to crash her live. And yeah, that's gonna be fun. Let's go. She has no clue that we're bombing her live. Hi.
You're also like vlogging live.
मॅम तुमचे एअर खूप छान आहेत. थँक्यू. काय
माझे नको पकडू.
काय लावता? उद्या गाणार आहे.
3, 2, 1, go. फूलों की लाशों में आदमी चाहता है.
क्या तुम मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करोगे?
Ishan wanted to become an actor, but he got into business. Yeah. Guys, look at the view.
देखने में क्या टॉप बदलना है?
Let's go, baby.
Look
I
at
think-
his dope ass kicks, boy.
Look at the cakes. Look at the cakes. Yeah, this is only.
बहुत
This is the
सुंदर.
rich people view only. ये लोगों ने हमसे ये view चुराया है.
Oh yeah,
These
man.
people secured this room before us.
Rich shit, rich kid shit.
Rich. It's only the rich kid shit. We're speaking to like a very big person. She's one of the richest businessmen in India. So we're going there right now. So it's a conference call. Video पे Zoom call.
So I know there are a lot of agendas that in terms of different topics you guys have probably been pursuing.
Okay guys, so we're done with the meeting. There's this crazy guy. If you guys can see this guy. So ये blindfold करता है, right? So he blindfolds himself. He can read whatever is in front of him. Apparently, that's what everyone is stating. Yeah, coming. So this is him blindfolding himself and reading it. Just to check if it's all right. Yeah. No, I can't see. No, I can't see anything. It's pretty solid. It's opaque. No, I mean, yeah, other way, like that. Yeah, just check if it's all right.
डोळे ओपन करून बंद कर.
You can't. You're not seeing anything from the bottom, right? Are you going to see it before solving it once? Wait, what? I've seen people who do it like blindfolded, but they see the pattern once. Yeah, which is possible. Like that's a memory game. Wow, guys, look at this. He did it blindfold without seeing it. Okay guys, so Harshala is writing something on the paper, right? This guy here has no clue what we're writing. And he's going to read this with the blindfold on. You should write something vague, like very vague, something very vague, vague, like out of the blue, like anything. Don't write generic things that he could guess.
You can't guess.
Still, I mean,
One of you can stand and actually see what he does.
me.
Observe what he does.
Okay. So this is what he's doing. He cannot see anything.
Hi, my name is Raj.
What?
राज नाम तो सुना होगा. Magic, madness, heaven, sin. I saw you there and I was like, oh my god, who is she?
No, he's not. He's not looking, bro. Yo, this is crazy. Chirag, this is something else. How? This is beyond. Like, I've never seen something like this, guys. Honestly, ever in my life. Yeah. That's just to be.
Shopping experience. Had a great shopping experience with Skechers. Wow.
Hey guys, that is pretty much it for the video. यही same segment का और एक video आने वाला है because we almost spent like 3 days and और मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा record किया था. So this was the second video and there's gonna be another video coming soon. Maybe 2 दिन में डालूंगा Tuesday, Wednesday. But honestly तुमको अगर लग रहा होगा कि ये जो भी हमने देखा अभी वो बंदा जो read कर रहा था हाथों से, अगर तुमको लग रहा है कि ये सब fake है तो that's 100% real. And मैं honestly I don't believe in like magic and stuff, right? But मैंने जब ये देखा there's a science behind it. Science basically ये है कि तुम्हारे हाथों को भी senses होते हैं, जो senses तुमको train करना पड़ता है, which are not inbuilt. सारे लोगों को वो senses नहीं होते, so size and you have to practice it in order to get those senses. But that only happens when you're 11 years old to 15 years. But whatever I saw, I think it was crazy. But yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. Today's lucky subscriber is Pallavi, so thank you so much for following me on Instagram, Pallavi. If you really want a shout out, you have to go on Instagram and follow me there, so that's how you get a shout out. You guys know everything else. You guys know the grind, you guys know the drill, as I always say. Subscribe if you want, if you really love the videos, and as I always say, take care and peace out.